This is the page where you can delete your Instagram account permanently. How to go to this page? Let me give you instructions step by step. Hey guys, this is me Mukares from Techation. Hope you're doing great. On this video, I'm gonna tell you how to delete your Instagram account permanently using your personal computer or laptop. First of all, open Instagram.com on any browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or you can use Safari. Once you open the browser, you go to the Instagram.com, log into your account, and this is the first page which you will see. In the right side, you see that there are so many links like About, Help, Press, and API, etc. You simply click on this second link, which is Help. Once you click this, you will see that the Help Center will open, and then in the left menu, you see Manage Your Account. Once you tap on it, it will show up more options where you can see that there is a link of delete your account. Okay, so you simply click on it, and on this new page you will see the second option, delete your account. Simply just tap on it and it will show you more options. As you can see, there is the third one, Instagram.com from a computer. You simply click on it and it will show you more options. By the way, if this option is not available in your left menu, what you do is you simply type delete account and enter it, and the first option is delete your Instagram account. Simply click on it and it will show you the same page which we just opened. Okay, so you simply tap on this Instagram.com from a computer, then you simply click on this link, delete your account page. Once you click on it, it will open up a new page where you can choose like why you actually leaving the Instagram.com account, and here you have to select one of the option. Why do you want to delete your account? For example, I choose too many ads, and when I choose that, you see that there is one more of a field which I need to enter my password again. I also read this thing for you. Today date is 4th of October for me, but whenever you start this process, you will have 30 days to delete your Instagram account. Make sure that you do not log in back to your account in next 30 days, otherwise your account will be reactivated. So basically, if in any case you want to reactivate your account, simply log in back to your account and it will be activated. So once you re-enter the password, simply click this delete button and it will delete your account permanently from Instagram. Hope so you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.